Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different and talking about all three solar stocks which I think are going to go up in the next couple months. So starting off, I'm going to be talking about ENPH Energy, which is one of the leading solar power companies in the world. They sell microinverters which help convert solar energy from solar panels. And they also sell other things like solar panels and things that could your house. ENPH is pretty strong in the market, so I believe they'll be going up. Recently, there's been a new government act because the inflation has been going down in the US lower than predicted. The Bureau of Labor Statistics has lowered interest rates, which is very good for any solar company because most solar companies are debt heavy, and with less interest they can make a lot more profit and the stock will go up. Recently, a lot of solar stocks in the past couple of days have gone up by at least 10% and upwards of 20. Some of the notable names are ENPH, SolarEdge, Sunrun, and SunPower, which some of these stocks I'll be talking about later in the video. I personally think ENPH is a really good option because they're one of the best microinverters in the market and some of the most valuable stock. The stock is currently down at around $92, but in the past it's been anywhere from 100 to even 300. Most analysts have it as a hold. I would say that the stock could go up anywhere from 90 to 120, maybe 150. Most analysts have the stock at about $106 to $126, which I believe is possible. ENPH is currently going up due to the lower inflation and the lower interest rates. Same with the other stocks. So next I'll be moving on to SunPower. Alright guys, so now we're going over SunPower. SunPower is slightly smaller than most of the solar energy stocks, like ENPH and SolarEdge. Its market cap is a bit lower, and they mainly sell solar panels for residential areas, and they also sell it to companies. They're really good on working on the efficiency of their solar panels, getting more and more energy out of them as the years go by. There's been a lot of recent advancements in solar panels, and if there is a big one, I believe the stock could easily go up a ton. The stock price is pretty low right now at $467, when in recent years it has been all the way up at a price of $49, even $54, and it's been hovering around $20 to $10. In recent years, it's gone down quite a lot from a peak of 24 to its current price of 4.6. The stock is currently on its way back up due to the interest rates obviously being cut since it is a solar stock and it's under the same manual. The stock is predicted to go anywhere from $7 to $8. I would say that's very reasonable. It could even go back up to 10 or 12 in my eyes. Here's a little reference from the Motley Fool. Recently on Tuesday and even today on Wednesday, stocks like Sunrun have gone up as much as 19.6%. SunPower stocks went up 12.9%, ENPH was up 14.4%, and SolarEdge was up 11.4%. Which is a very high double-digit stock trading day for the entire SolarEdge market. So as stocks are going up, I think SunPower is my top 2 pick. I think it is a very good buy, and that it will go up maybe even 2 to 3 times its current price to reach a price of around $12.40. Most analysts are on a hold, but they are switching to a buy as markets are looking good. I'll now switch back to SolarEdge as the final stock in the video. Alright guys, finally I'll be going over Solar Edge, which I have gone over this in a past video, so if you want to, go watch that. But basically Solar Edge sells inverters worldwide. They're one of the biggest solar companies and they have a lot of market dominance. Out of ENPH and SunPower, they're probably the second largest, with ENPH being slightly bigger than them. We'll go over the stock price. Recent years they've been about 300 when the solar energy market was booming, and they dropped recently with the Europe energy demand going down. They have started to recover slightly due to the lower inflation and the interest rates being cut. Most analysts have the stock as a overperform or buy. I think the stock is going to go up personally to at least $100, $150. Most analysts have the stock going to 126, I believe, as the median, with upsides of 300 and a lowest prediction of 30, but I don't think that's very likely, as there's only one analyst doing a prediction below $60. I believe if you buy in now, the Solar Edge will probably have the largest upside of all the stocks in this video, as they have the biggest market and the biggest potential stock price. So I'll just end this video by going over a little more in depth about the inflation. So since the Bureau of Labor Statistics has lowered interest rates, or they're talking about lowering interest rates as inflation goes down, a lot of the stocks that are in the solar market have been rising. This is because solar companies are really debt heavy, because they get loans for stuff like their production and research. Based on this, that's why stocks like Solar Edge, which aren't too debt heavy compared to the solar industry, they still go up when interest rates are cut. And this is my opinion on why all these three solar stocks are good stocks to invest in. Alright, that'll be it for this video. See you guys later.